Here we go. The Samsung event, the third one of 2025, guys. Yep, this is the Samsung event happening today, and this is what's going to be released. The Galaxy Z Fold 7. Wow, that's what I'm interested in, and the Watch 8 and the Watch Ultra 2. 4.2 millimeters. Wow, and only 215 grams. Those are the specs for the camera, guys. I don't really get too much into cameras because they're all good as far as I'm concerned. But hey, these are the specs. One UI 8, the all new for Fold. Let's see what that's going to be about. Let's see what the battery life will be. Ultra sleek. Wow. One UI watch. Let's see what that's going to be like. Let's see what today brings, guys. Hopefully it'll be a great event. So let's get ready. Ultra unfolds. Yeah, guys, that was just a quick run through of the Samsung event this evening at about 3 o'clock UK time. Yeah, guys, this is in the UK I'm speaking to you from, if you haven't guessed already. Yeah, guys, 3 o'clock will be the Samsung event, releasing quite a few products today. The only thing I didn't see, which I was a bit miffed at, to be quite honest with you, was the Samsung ring. Unless I missed it, there's no Samsung ring release today. Ring 2, I should say. They've already got a Samsung ring, but I want a Samsung ring 2 because there's a few bits and bobs missing from the ring 1 as far as I'm concerned, which is tap to pay. You've got Samsung Pay. Why don't they put a chip in the ring so you can pay via your ring? Makes sense to me. Does it make sense to you? But anyway, hope you like that little teaser there for this evening. Because I'm going to chuck this up now. I'm leaving it a bit late, but hey, the main reason for this video though is that after all the shenanigans of 3 PM today, afterwards, yeah, there is going to be a Samsung event specifically for UK people here at King's Cross. Yep, Samsung King's Cross. There's going to be an event which I've been given the privilege to attend. I was there last time. I'll show you a little, or I'll put a little link up here somewhere, wherever it goes. Yeah, I'll put a little link up there to my previous Samsung event shenanigans, which was a wonderful event of the release of the S25 Ultra. Yep, the Samsung S25 series, I should say. I've got the Ultra, that's why I said Ultra, but it was the Samsung S25 release. Yeah, guys, and that was at Samsung King's Cross, which I will be attending again on the 18th of July. Yeah, guys, 18th of July, I'll be there. So keep an eye out for that, guys. And I'll try and bring as much, whatever I can bring from that event to show you what this new product of the Samsung Z Fold 7, etc. and Flip 7 can do. Okay, guys, so until then, I will catch you guys on the next video. Catch you later.